Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of nutrition to uncover the top 10 foods that can supercharge your muscle growth journey. Whether you're a seasoned gym goer or just starting out, these foods are essential for building and repairing muscle tissue, helping you achieve your fitness goals faster. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. 1. Lean meats. Lean meats like chicken, turkey, and beef are rich in high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Opt for lean cuts to minimize saturated fat intake while maximizing protein content. 2. Eggs. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrients, containing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth. Plus, they're versatile and can be enjoyed in various ways, from scrambled to boiled, or even in omelets. 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only delicious, but also packed with protein and probiotics, promoting muscle recovery and digestive health. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. 4. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein source, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also rich in complex carbohydrates, providing a sustained energy release for optimal workouts and muscle repair. 5. Salmon. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties, reducing muscle soreness and aiding in recovery. Additionally, it's a great source of protein, making it a staple for muscle-building diets. 6. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes are excellent plant-based sources of protein and fiber, essential for muscle growth and overall health. Incorporate varieties like black beans, lentils, and chickpeas into your meals for a nutrient boost. 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are nutrient-dense snacks packed with protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients like magnesium and zinc, crucial for muscle function and recovery. Enjoy them as a convenient on-the-go option or add them to salads and smoothies. 8. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a low-fat dairy product rich in casein protein, which is slowly digested, providing a steady supply of amino acids to muscles overnight. It's an excellent bedtime snack for muscle repair and growth during sleep. 9. Avocado. Avocado is a nutrient-dense fruit packed with healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins, including vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties. These fats support hormone production, including testosterone, essential for muscle growth. Additionally, avocados provide a steady source of energy and promote satiety, making them a great addition to muscle-building diets. 10. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutrient-dense carbohydrate source rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, providing sustained energy for workouts and replenishing glycogen stores post-exercise. They're a versatile ingredient that can be baked, mashed, or roasted. There you have it, our top 10 foods to speed up muscle growth. Incorporate these nutrient-packed options into your diet to fuel your workouts, enhance recovery, and maximize muscle gains. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to prioritize a balanced diet alongside your training regimen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content, and share it with your fitness buddies. Until next time, stay strong and keep striving for your goals. See you in the next video.